The Quran, a book of miracles. Have you ever heard of the Quran? It's the holy book of Islam, revealed to Prophet Muhammad over 1,400 years ago. But did you know that it's not just a book of guidance, but also a book of miracles? One of the greatest miracles of the Quran is its linguistic perfection. The Quran was revealed in Arabic, and even though Arabic has evolved over time, the Quran's language remains unchanged and unrivaled in its beauty and eloquence. Another miracle of the Quran is its scientific accuracy. The Quran contains several verses that describe scientific phenomena that were not discovered until centuries later. For example, the Quran describes the stages of human embryonic development in great detail, long before modern science was able to do so. But perhaps the greatest miracle of the Quran is its ability to transform hearts and minds. The Quran contains guidance for every aspect of life, and its teachings have changed the lives of millions of people around the world. So whether you're a believer or not, it's worth taking a closer look at the Quran and exploring its many miracles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.